"We need more sparkle out here," Tyler announced, tapping a special space crayon on his glowing blueprint. Tyler's bedroom had transformed into the command center of his amazing spaceship, the Star Hopper. Around the table, his trusty robot crew whirred in agreement. There was Bolt, the big, strong robot with magnetic hands. There was Rivet, the smaller robot who could weld with tiny, precise lasers. And there was Gear, the brainy robot who double-checked all the plans. Tonight's project was the most exciting one yet. The Starlight Catcher. Tyler's plan showed a tall, twisting tower designed to collect faint starlight and make the whole galaxy just a little bit brighter. The crew was ready for their cosmic construction job. Tyler pulled on his shiny silver helmet and gave the signal. "Let's go, team." The Star Hopper rumbled gently and then lifted off, soaring silently through the dark sky and past the smiling moon. Their first stop was the shimmering asteroid belt. Tyler expertly navigated the ship through the floating space rocks. "Okay, Bolt, time to gather our supplies," Tyler called. Bolt extended his powerful magnetic arms and gently pulled in the most glittery, silvery asteroids. Rivet then used a soft laser beam to carve the asteroids into perfect, smooth building blocks. Gear beeped and booped, confirming on a screen that they had collected exactly the right amount. The gentle hum of the ship was like a lullaby as they flew onward. Soon, Tyler found the perfect building spot, a small, peaceful moonlet floating in a quiet corner of the galaxy. "This is the place," Tyler said softly. The crew got to work right away. Bolt carefully set down the first giant silvery block, creating a strong foundation. Rivet zipped around it, using a warm light beam to weld the blocks together so they were snug and secure. Tyler operated the ship's giant silent crane, lifting each heavy piece and setting it carefully into place. The base of the Starlight Catcher grew, layer by shimmering layer. The only sounds were the quiet whirring of the robots and the soft hum of the crane as Tyler worked beneath the twinkling stars. The tower rose higher and higher, a beautiful sparkling spiral reaching for the sleepy, colorful clouds of a distant nebula. Tyler flew on a small, floating platform, guiding Rivet as the little robot attached special crystal panels to the tower's sides. These weren't just any crystals. They were designed to soak up even the tiniest glimmer of starlight. Down in the Star Hopper, Gear watched the energy monitors, giving Tyler a happy thumbs-up beep to show everything was working perfectly. From his high perch, Tyler looked out at the vast, peaceful universe. The constellations looked like spilled diamonds on a dark velvet blanket, and Tyler felt a warm, happy calm spread through him. Finally, it was time for the last piece. With the help of Bolt and the crane, Tyler carefully placed a giant, flawless crystal right on the very top of the tower. The moment it clicked into place, the entire Starlight Catcher began to glow. It gathered the light from a billion faraway stars and sent it pulsing back out in soft, beautiful rainbows. "Wow," Tyler whispered. Bolt, Rivet, and Gear beeped and whirred, their lights blinking with joy. Their mission was a success. Feeling sleepy but very proud, Tyler steered the Star Hopper for home. Tyler watched the gentle, twinkling light of the Starlight Catcher fade into the distance, and his eyelids grew heavy with the promise of sweet, starry dreams.